Alright guys, so today we are going to be taking a look at some of the best MagSafe accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, I have tried a bunch of different accessories, some of which you've seen on the channel, others you have not. Well, these are some of my favorite accessories. I'm curious to know if you guys have any of these, and let me know about that down below. Also, links to all of these products will be down in the description, as well as if I have made a video for them, the video will be linked there as well. So let's first of all go ahead and start off with the case that's on my phone at the current moment, because this is also a MagSafe accessory. It doesn't connect with MagSafe, but it does have MagSafe built in, and this is the Caudabe Synthesis. I've been loving this case, been using it for a while. I've had it since the iPhone came out, and just as always, this is a great case, which the video to this will be linked down below, as well as the link for you guys to check it out. So let's start off with the first accessory. So the first thing you guys think about, or at least what I think about when I hear MagSafe, is charging. So let's start off with a few different chargers. Now this is the Aukey MagFusion 3-in-1 Qi 2 wireless charger. All of the chargers here that I am showing you guys are going to be MagSafe, and they're going to be Qi 2, so they're going to give you the fastest charging, wireless charging possible for your iPhone. Now, the reason why this is one of my favorite MagSafe accessories is because of number one, how this looks, and number two, just how versatile it is. So if we go ahead and plug this in real quick, let's see. So it does light up right here with an LED, and what is really nice about this is you are able to magnetize your phone, and this MagSafe part here does move up and down. So you get a lot of different viewing angles with your phone, and of course it will work with standby mode as well. Now, what's great about this also is that you can put your AirPods on here to charge, and it does magnetize. So you don't have to worry about your AirPods moving in the middle of the night or during your workday. Once you magnetize them on here, it will be good to go. So you are able to use all of your devices, as well as an Apple Watch that you can just put on right here, and you get a very nice 3-in-1 setup that's very modern looking, very sleek, and of course you can choose different viewing angles with this. So this charger is definitely a must-have for your nightstand or for your work desk, whatever you decide to use. It's super clean and compact, looks very minimal, very modern, and just overall works very good. It charges your iPhone at 15 watts with wireless charging, and your AirPods and your Apple Watch at 5 watts with wireless charging as well. This one is going to be more so for your travel, and this is the Anker Qi 2 MagGo 3-in-1 wireless charger. So what's really nice about this one is it has your Apple Watch tucked in back here. It's got some cooling vents right there for you, so you can definitely make sure it doesn't overheat, as well as some cooling here, a spot for your AirPods, your MagSafe for your iPhone, and everything is in this nice little compact packaging, so you can easily fit this in your backpack, your purse, your sling bag, your suitcase, carry-on, or checked. Wherever you're putting this, it is perfect, and it'll do exactly what you need. So you just plug it in right here, you get a nice little LED light right there. So let's say you get to your vacation destination, you're ready to start charging, and of course this will work in your portrait mode. You'll get your wireless charging right there, as well as you are able to turn it into landscape mode, and of course you get your standby mode as well with this. And then once you have your phone charging here, you can go ahead and put your AirPods down on there, and you are good to go if you're someone who doesn't have an Apple Watch. But if you do, or you just don't want to charge it that day, but let's say you do want to charge it, you can sit here, go ahead and put your AirPods right there, your Apple Watch on this part, and there you have it. You are good to go. Now, this one does not magnetize your AirPods, so you do have to kind of be careful with that, but you have a nice and compact little travel charger that you can pretty much take anywhere with you, and when you're finished with it, you just kind of take all your stuff off, go ahead and unplug it, fold this part right back into here, and put this right back into your bag, and you are good to go until you get to your next travel destination or you get home. Now, speaking of while you're traveling, let's say you need some extra juice just throughout the day. Here is where the Anker Qi 2 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack comes in. And I'll be honest with you, I use this thing all the time, and it is absolutely incredible. So what's great about it also is you do have a screen here. So this screen is going to show you your battery percentage, as well as how much life is left on the MagSafe battery pack. So once you go ahead and attach it, it just starts charging, and it's going to say right now it says like 99 hours or whatever on it. This is going to take a few minutes to regulate itself down, but it's great because it shows you your battery percentage on the battery pack, and it's going to tell you as soon as it regulates itself back down exactly how much time you have left with the battery pack. So you're not questioning yourself to see, you know, oh, is this thing about to die? You don't have to worry about any kind of other weird little mechanisms like LED lights. You know exactly what you're working with right here and how much time you have. And what's really great is you can also use this with a kickstand, which I use it all the time like this because I like to sit there and watch, you know, some stuff on my phone, whether it's YouTube or scrolling through TikTok or Instagram, any of those things, which by the way, make sure you guys follow me on those platforms. Links will be down in the description below. But you are able to also turn this into landscape mode. So once you're watching your favorite Brian's Tech video, you can go ahead and watch whatever you want, sit here, tap around, scroll with no issues, and it doesn't tip or move anything. You are good to go to sit here for hours without getting any sort of interruptions or anything like that. So you definitely are able to use this on the go. I bring this with me everywhere I go, as far as, you know, in my backpack. This thing lives in there when I'm at the office, or if I'm just out and about throughout the day. This thing kind of does stay with me, especially if I know I'm going to be gone for most of the day. I always bring it with me because I like to have that extra battery power when I need it, and you can easily put this in your pocket. And if you see, you can really give it a good shake without this thing coming off. So it easily goes in and out of your pocket with no problems. You don't have to worry about it really getting disconnected. I'm still a little bit careful when I put it in my pocket. I try to kind of put it in there just like this. That way things don't get disconnected, especially with my pants just kind of pulling the MagSafe battery pack off. But once it's in there, you are good to go. You don't have to worry about this overheating or anything like that. And what's also really cool is when your battery pack dies, you can easily charge your iPhone and your battery pack at the same time. This is charging right now as we speak, as well as the iPhone is charging at night or whenever you have to plug in the battery pack. You get your pass-through charging without having to worry about your iPhone not getting topped up or the battery not getting topped up. It will easily top both of your devices up with no issues. So absolutely a must-have MagSafe accessory is this Anker Qi2 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Definitely need this. So now that we've talked about some chargers, let's go ahead and talk about a little bit of some other accessories that help you with your everyday, day-to-day life. At least they do for me. I use these all the time. And the first thing I'm going to start off with is the MagSafe pop socket. So you plug that on here, and let's be honest, these phones are really heavy, right? So especially if you're someone like me, you use your phone a lot, you kind of sit here and you hold it like this all the time. That can really weigh down on your pinky. It can make your hand tired, and I'm sure it give you that little pinky indent. But when you use a MagSafe pop socket, this thing is super easy to put on and take off. These pop socket tops are interchangeable, so you can put on whatever, you know, design you feel like, whatever they come out with. But it's really convenient to sit here and hold it. You can shake it as much as you want, and this thing is not coming off. It's super convenient to hold when you're sitting long hours of, you know, scrolling through your phone or typing texts, emails, just whatever you're doing. Having a MagSafe pop socket is really comfortable, as well as you are able to set it down and watch some content and use it as a stand. So that's really nice as well. You're able to use this in multiple different use cases, and it's just very comfortable to hold. I know with this crazy heavy phone, especially if you have a little bit of a heavier case, these MagSafe pop sockets really come in handy, and it's definitely a must-have. Next up, speaking of stands, let's go ahead and talk about this one. Now, this is probably one of my newest accessories. This is the Moft invisible tripod stand, and it really may not look like much when it's just on the phone. It just looks like a MagSafe wallet almost, or something along those sorts. But when you need this thing, it is so clutch. So basically what you can do is you can just pop this open just like that, and you have a nice little stand for your iPhone. It supports your iPhone in portrait or in landscape mode, and you're good to go. No problems right there. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and record something that you see, some sort of video, you're at an event or whatever. You can hold it just like this, and you get your own little like handle right there. You can even hold it just like this. But what's also really cool is this part right here just kind of opens up, and it acts as a tripod. So there you go. You can set your phone up just like that with no issues. And of course, it will also work in landscape or in portrait mode, and it will really hold the weight of your phone. So if you're someone like me, I actually like to have my phone on a stand a lot. That's one of the biggest reasons I use this thing. I just like to have my phone kind of off to the side, standing up, and it's good to go. And sometimes you want to take and record a video with it. You want to do whatever you got to do. And there you go. You can even record some top-down footage with this thing with no problems. And when you're done with it, you just kind of pop that up, push that, and there you go. It's super thin, super versatile, and it really doesn't even look like much until you really need it. And I use my phone in stand mode a lot. I love having it just facing up so I can see my notifications easily, and I use it just like this, or even with the full tripod out a lot. So this thing really is nice, and I highly recommend checking one of these out. And last but not least, one thing that I like to use is a MagSafe wallet. Now, I'm not someone who uses a MagSafe wallet a lot, but sometimes you just want to wear some basketball shorts or some sweatpants, put a card and your ID in here, and just go. And this is where this FLOLAB MagSafe wallet really comes in handy. So, number one, this thing will fit 2 to 3 cards depending on the size of your cards. You get your little slot right here to put the cards into, and you get a nice little pocket right there that you can just kind of push and your cards will come out with no issues, and you can get what you need, put them back in. Now, the coolest part about this is it also doubles as a stand. So all you have to do is you just push right there, and there you go. You get this little hook. Now, FLOLAB says that you can even wire this into your AC vent if you want, and it can hold your phone kind of like a car mount. I've never tried it because this phone is pretty heavy. I'm not trying to break my AC vents, but if you want to try it, this can definitely hold it up with no issues. And as you see, it's got really good MagSafe strength, so it's not going anywhere. And also, you are able to lift that up and see, you get a little plastic window right there so you can kind of see what cards you have on top. But the best part about this is that it does support your iPhone in a stand, whether it's portrait mode or in landscape mode. And you can sit there, watch your favorite videos, YouTube, or scroll through, TikTok if you want to, Instagram. And then when you're finished with it, you just go ahead and pop that down and you are good to go. Just looks like a regular MagSafe wallet. Now, all of these accessories are very much so about practicality. They may not be, necessarily the highest capacity holding wallet or the highest capacity battery pack or whatever, but these are just some of the best MagSafe accessories. You can really get daily use out of them as well as multiple use cases. So just like this wallet, you can use it as a stand as well. I like to kind of have MagSafe accessories that aren't just for one point only, whether it's just a stand or just a battery. I like them to kind of be pretty versatile. So with all that being said, guys, these are some of my favorite and some of the best MagSafe accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as well as just the rest of the iPhone 15 series. So let me know what you guys think about these down in the comments below. Have you ever tried them? Are you interested in checking them out? I'm really curious to know what you guys think about these accessories. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing some of my favorite top cases for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I'll leave that video right there.